A partially dried clay mineral contains 8% water. The original sample contained 12% water and 45% silica. The percentage of silica in the partially dried sample is nearly 47%. 1 liter N2 7 by 2 liters O2 and 1 liter CO are taken in a mixture under identical condition of P and T. The amount of gases present in mixture is given by Wn2 is equal to WO2 is equal to WCO. Equal volume of 0.1 m AgNO3 and 0.2 m NaCl are mixed. The concentration of NO3 ions in the mixture will be 0.05 m. A solution contains Na2CO3 and NaHCO3. 10 ml of the solution required 2.5 ml of 0.1 m H2SO4 for neutralization using phenolphthalein and indication methyl orange is then added when a further 2.5 ml of 0.2 m H2SO4 was required. The amount of NaCO3 and NaHCO3 in 1 liters of the solution is 5.3 grams and 4.2 grams. A sample of pure Cu 3.1 gram heated in a stream of oxygen for some the time gain in mass with the formation of black oxide of copper CuO. The final mass is 3.92 grams. The percent of copper remains unoxided is minus 7.6. 1 mole of a mixture of CO and CO2 requires exactly 20 grams of NaOH in solution for the complete conversion of all the CO2 into Na2CO3. How much NaOH would it require for conversion into Na2CO3 if the mixture 1 mole is completely oxidized to CO2 is 80 gram. Wherein a chelating agent having chemical formula C2H4N2 C2H2O2N4. If each mole of this compound could bind 1 mole of Ca2 plus, then the rating of a pure version expressed as mg of CaCO3 bond per gm of chelating agent is 263 mg. A gas is found to have the formula COX. Its Vd is 70. The value of X must be 5. When 100 ml of pH3 is decomposed, it produces phosphorus and hydrogen. The change in volume is 50 ml increase. The molality of M solution of NaCl, specific gravity 1.0585 grams per mole is 1.0. The total molarity of all the ions present in 0.117 of Al2SO4 thrice solution is 0.7 m. 25 ml of solution containing HCl and H2SO4 required. 10 ml of 1N NaOH solution for the solution for neutralization. 20 ml of the same acid mixture on being reacted with an excess of AgNO3 gives 0.1435 grams of AgCl. The normality of HCl and normality of the H2SO4 are respectively 0.05 N and 0.35 N. A 0.1097 gram sample of AS2O3 requires 26.10 ml of KMnO4 solution for its titration. The molarity of KMnO4 solution is 0.018. A sample of CaCO3 is 50% pure on heating 1.12 liters of CO2 at STP is obtaining the weight of residues left, assuming non-volatile impurity is Ca is equal to 40, C is equal to 12, O is equal to 16 is 7.8 gram. Consider the given reaction. 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3 6.4 gram 8O2 and 3.2 gram O2 to form SO3. The mass of SO3 formed is 8 grams. The molality of a 20% by mass CaCO3 solution is given density of solution is 1.2 grams per mole is 2.5 m. 1 gram butane C4H10 is burnt with excess of O2 to form CO2. The approximate mass of CO2 produced is 3 grams. In 0.5 mole of bar Cl is reacted with 0.2 mole of Na3PO4, then the maximum mole of Ba3PO4 twice formed is 0.10. 2 grams of iron pyrite FeS2 is burnt with O2 to form Fe2O3 and SO2. The mass of SO2 produced is Fe is equal to 56, S is equal to 32, O is equal to 16 is 12.13 grams. 1 atom of nitrogen, 1 mole of oxygen, 1 into 10 to the power of minus 10 grams molecule weight of oxygen, 1 into 10 to the power of minus 10 grams atom weight of copper is the order of increasing masses and atomic occurs. N is equal to 14, O is equal to 16, Cu is equal to 63. The ratio of the number of atoms in 2.2 grams of CO2 and in 1.7 grams of NH3 is 3 by 8. F3 5 by 3 moles of FeC2O4 are required to reduce 1 mole of KMnO4 in acidic medium. The pairs of gases contain the same number of molecules is 16 grams of O2 and 14 grams of N2. Calculate the number of ions present in 2L of a solution of 1.6 mK4. FeCN6 is 9.6 into 10 to the power of 24. The mass CO2 that shall be obtained by heating 10 kg of 80% pure limestone CaCO3 is 3.52 kg. 1.1 Na protons are present in 1.8 g of NH4 power plus. When 1 liter of CO2 is heated with graphite, the volume of the gas collected is 1.8 liter. What will be the number of moles of CO produced at STP? 0.0714. On reduction with CO 200 kg of iron ore Fe 203 containing 20% impurities gives iron, the amount of iron produced will be in N 2 kg. At STP, the moles of oxygen atoms in 2.8 liter of CO2 gas is 0.25. Correct or incorrect? One mole O power minus 2 ions have 6.023 into 10 to the power of 22 electrons. This reaction is incorrect. 1.1 mole of N power minus 3 is ions have 10 moles of electrons. 1 mole CH4 has mole protons. 1 mole of water has 10 mole protons. The mass of sources C12H22O11 produced by mixing 84 grams of carbon, 12 grams of hydrogen and 56 D2 LD2 at 1 atom 273 K according to given reason is F3 plus H2 gas plus O2 gas gives C12 H22O11 S is 155.5. The mixture contains Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 and weight of a mixture is 10 grams. Mixture of heating liberates 56 ml of CO2 at STP. Weight of Na2CO3 in mixture is 9.58 grams. The moles of KMNO4 are needed to oxidize a mixture of 1 mole of each FeSO4 and FeCl2O4 in acidic medium. 1 mole of Fe reacts completely with 0.65 mole of O2 to give a mixture of only FeO and Fe2O3. The mole of ratio of ferrous oxide to ferric oxide is 4:3. Oxygen contains 90% O16 and 10% O18. Its atomic mass is 16.2. The total number of electrons present in 1.6 grams of methane is 6 into 10 to the power of 23. KClO3 is heating decomposition to KCl and O2. The volume of O2 at STP liberated by 0.1 mole KClO3 is 3.36 L to 6.84. At STP, the density of CC14 vapor is gram per liter will be nearest to a 6.84. 4.4 grams of an unknown gas occupies 2.24 liters of volume at NTP. The gas may be carbon dioxide. The number of gram molecules of oxygen in 6.02 into 10 to the power of 24 CO molecules are 5 grams molecules. The mass carbon present in 0.5 mole of K4 FeCN6 is 36 grams. The number of moles of BaCO3, which contains 1.5 moles of oxygen atoms, is 0.5. The oxide of metal contains 40% by mass of oxygen. The percentage of chlorine in the chloride of the metal is 74.7. The empirical formula of an organic compound containing carbon and hydrogen is CH2. The mass of 1 liter of this organic gas at STP is exactly equal to that of 1 liter of N2STP. Therefore, the molecular formula of the organic gas is C2H4. A sample of a pure compound is found to have Na is equal to 0.8 Na is equal to 0.0887 mole, 0.132 mole, C is equal to 2.65 into 10 to the power of 22 atom. The empirical formula of the compound is Na2CO3. An organic compound C, H and N gave the following on analysis: C is equal to 40%, H is equal to 13.3% and N is equal to 46.67%. Empirical formula would be CH4N. An organic substance containing CHO gave the following percentage composition: C is equal to 40.687%, H is equal to 5.0 0.85% and O is equal to 54.228%. The vapor density of this organic substance is 59. The molecular formula of the compound will be C4H6O4.